my name's Cecilio. I'm a graphic artist, and I'm going to show you how to draw perfect radials in Illustrator. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to go to View and Show Grid, and this will make it so it's more symmetrical. And I'm going to draw a circle, and I'm going to hold down Shift so it makes a perfect circle. Now, the next step to doing this is making a shape that you want to radiate, essentially. So I'm going to use actually the pen tool, and I'm going to draw a shape just really quickly, just so you can get an idea. Oh, and just copy this. Okay, so I've got my shape that I want to radiate. And first what you're going to want to do is select your shape, and I'm actually going to make this stroke a little bit bigger. And you select your shape, go to Object, Group, and this is going to make it so that your shape can, be dragged across the screen and not separate. Because with the direct selection tool, you can do that, but this will just make it so it doesn't separate. So then what you're going to do is you're going to hold down Option and make a direct copy of it. And so make sure also that your circle is between, four square shapes, and it's similarly apart from each one, so that there's that idea of symmetry in your circle. And the circle isn't going to be part of our shape, it's just there for now. So we're going to take our first little shape, and we're just going to put it right on this line right here. And the easiest way to think about this is to think of it as a clock, because a clock has 4 points that kind of divide it. So we're going to kind of pretend that this is a clock. And you're just going to do this, and then you can, once you've got this shape, these two shapes in place, a little quick tip and trick is to select both of these shapes, hold down the Option button, and then drag it again, and then literally just flip it the other way, like so. And then we've got this. Okay, so now you've got 4 already, and so then you're just gonna keep copying these again and again, and just shifting them a little bit each time so that they fit your circle shape. So that eventually you've got, and then, so actually what you can really do is just do one side, because then after that all you have to do is hold down Shift and select all 4 and literally just copy and paste it. And if you want to do a reflection, just select these like so, and then hold down Control, go to Transform, Reflect, and just select, in this case we're going to do a vertical selection. So vertical, and then you can mess around with these a little bit more and just rotate them like this. That way. And if they're not gonna fit all the way, because you've already got 2 here that you've drawn before, so just you can delete those and keep rotating it. And then you've got your shape halfway done. So now what we're going to do is we're just going to delete the bottom, delete this. Actually, don't delete your circle yet, but just make sure you select these guys, and then make a copy again, hold down Control, drag it, And then you can reflect it again by holding Control, Transform, Reflect, and do a horizontal one. That way it'll just flip it upside down. And there you've got, and then just get rid of these guys on the side because you already have to have these. And then you've got your radial shape. You can do one of these. And there, and now you can select your circle, delete it, and there you've got a perfectly radiating shape. My name is Cecilio, and this is how you draw radials in Illustrator. Thank you.